life like oxygen. Holy water, come and wash away my sins. I want you. I need you. I can't breathe.
Operative word opulent, indigenous occupant, angelic in your moccasins with the kinetic acumen to rid me of my toxins. You could dictate a doctrine on a cathartic spit, ritual open heart surgery for the broken hearted. My high vibrational guidance system, home. My backbone, my bat phone, exactly. No phone tap though, just intellectual track meet. Somewhere close to where sexual intercourse and attract meets. I'll hold you in my arms and I'll kiss you till your body is sore. I need to get together.